Hello guys, good morning all. So from this video onwards we will be starting new series on a React.js. So in this series we will develop few applications of React.js, and we will start from simple calculator application, and then we will slightly move towards more complicated applications. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to create one folder for our React application. Here I'm using Linux operating system, Ubuntu operating system. So some changes will be there, but most of the project will be same. Okay, so after creating the folder, let's traverse the path in terminal about up to that folder and simply write create React app command and then name of your application. Well, we need to give sudo permissions, that is super user permissions, but this create React app is not by default command in Ubuntu or any other operating system. You need to resolve some dependencies before you use this command. I'll put the link in the description below. Go through that. It is very easy. Get it downloaded in your PC and then use this command. So moment I hit enter button after this command, the React app installation will start it, and as per my observation this process will takes around 3 to 4 minutes to completely install. Okay, so now we have installed everything in that folder. So now let's just open that folder into your favorite IDE. So here in my case I'm using VS Code IDE. So this is my project folder. Alright, so let's just open this. Okay, so this is my project folder. So first thing that we need to do is let's check this application is actually working or not. So in order to do so, traverse again the same path of your folder. So this is, and write the command sudo yarn start. So after giving root permissions, it will start the operations to start React server. You might be wondering where this command start command is mentioned. So let's get back into your project and package.json file. Here in scripts tag you will find this start command. So basically React script start, this is main command which ultimately gets executed after executing yarn start, and this is our index.js file which is main file, and in this we are appending our React components to our actually the index.html file. So and this is app.js file. This is app.js file. In this we are actually going to write our majority of code. So we have already started our application. Now it's time to see is it actually working or not. So now because it is working, that means everything is working fine. Now let's get back to the app.js file and remove some code. After giving root permissions, you can see the changes reflected at our browser window. So that means we have created and some edited few code of React.js. So before that I'm going to be creating new components folder inside of that. Okay, so now I'm getting some error, reason being in Linux system we don't have read and write permissions. So in order to give read and write permissions, simply go inside your project folder and open the terminal and simply write command sudo chmod -r 777 and then your project directory. So after giving root permissions, here you can see everything is installed. everything is working fine. So now let's create components folder. So inside the components folders, I'm going to be writing all the components because it is kind of neat and clean style of writing components. You can easily find where exactly your components get stored. So now inside the calculator.js file, simply import React from React, and after doing that, make sure that your file name should start from capital letter. Alright,